Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming data integrity. Check source tables, named ranges, and that queries refresh correctly. Then create a dedicated dashboard sheet and place charts, slicers, and KPIs in final positions so layout stays stable. Once done, set workbook calculation to automatic and enable background refresh for queries. This ensures visuals update without manual steps. Make sure to protect layout elements with sheet protection, and test a single refresh to confirm data flows into each visual component. Now choose the right file format. Pick XLSX for standard dashboards, XLSM if macros power interactivity, or XLSB for large models. The choice preserves features and performance. If you rely on Power Query or external connections, decide whether to embed credentials or use organizational connectors so refresh works for others. Once chosen, you save as with a clear name and enable versioning via OneDrive or SharePoint. This preserves rollback points. Finally, test opening the saved file on another. Finish by refreshing all queries and pivots, then save and close the workbook to commit cached pivot states and slicer selections. This prevents stale displays when reopened. Export a PDF snapshot for distribution and also save a timestamped copy so you can revert if needed. If the dashboard fails to refresh or elements disappear, try Excel's Open and Repair, inspect data queries and connections, and re-establish broken links. This single troubleshooting step resolves most corrupt connection or cache issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.